Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Pixeltap by Pixelverse game and how you can win. I'm going to show you step by step to do it. And please, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure that you subscribe, turn on your bell notification and like this video. So guys, what I'm going to do now is, number one thing is for you to claim this token, and after that we want to copy your link. So you are going to see my link in this video description so that you can earn a lot of coin. And this fight, so we are still coming to this place, and you have to know all this is the leaderboard. So those that have a lot of referrals at the leaderboard, and this is a reward. So guys, if you want to have a lot of daily combo, you want to earn a lot of coin through daily combo, you have to play the game first. So this is how I knew it. Before I started playing the game, my daily combo is 840 something thousand coin. So after I started playing the game, and I see that my daily combo is 1,400,000 coin. So that is the power of you playing the game. And you can do tasks here. You can see, just complete it, and let's go and play the game now. So guys, now if you want to play the game, so click on the question mark at the top. So after you click on that, battles, welcome to the battle of bots, a place where there are ups and downs, hard wins and embarrassing defeats. Everything you need is to choose your best bot and click as fast as you can, and the higher level of your bot, the more chances you have to win. Battle duration 2 minutes. Winning reward depend on your bot level. So you can see now, in case of defeat, be ready to lose a half of your potential reward. So before battle, be sure you have enough coins. Good battle, and may the odds be ever in your favor. So guys, I'm going to click the times button now, and you can upgrade this. So if you upgrade this, you are going to have a high chance for you to win also. So I think I'm in level 5 also, and you can choose either of the two. So this is level 5, and you can choose so for okay. So this is the name, you can choose between these two. And what I'm going to do next is, when I click the fight now, so there's a little circle that is going to appear beside your bot. That little circle is where you are going to click as fast as possible. Please hear me out. For you to win this game, after you click on fight and the fight has already started, there's a little circle that's going to appear beside your bot. Can appear anywhere beside your bot. Once you are going to make sure that you click as fast as possible on that small circle that's going to appear. So let's go now. So this game is going to start, and the game is going to like maybe 2 minutes or 2 minutes 30 seconds, I think. So this is the small circle. You are going to click as fast as possible on that. So let me wait for again. I'm going to click as fast as possible. So I'm going to click as fast as possible now. So I'm winning as fast as possible. So I'm winning now. I'm winning. You have to click as fast as possible now, guys. You have to be smart and very fast with this. You want to win. So that small circle is where I'm going to be clicking. You can see that red circle is where I'm going to be clicking. So I'm playing with a mate now. So that's a small circle is where you are going to be clicking very fast. So you can see that I'm still winning, guys. I'm winning. As fast, you are going to be very fast now. So the game we want to end is want to insert me small time. So I'm going to as fast as possible now. So guys, I've won. So thanks for watching my videos. I'm going to see you my next video, and please make sure that you subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and like this video. See you my next video. Peace.